Aston Martin's newest breathtaking creation, the DBS 770 Ultimate Volante, offers a limited and opulent open-air driving adventure. Originally announced with its coupe counterpart in January, the Volante now makes its stunning debut. With a mere 199 units planned for production, it's an even more exclusive choice compared to the 300-unit run of the hardtop version. We rarely come across a car that looks this good from every perspective. Although beauty is in the eye of the beholder, the sheer power under the hood is indisputable. The DBS 770 Ultimate Volante is Aston Martin's most formidable road car to date, sporting a 5.2-litre V12 with 770 horsepower and an impressive 664 pound-feet of torque, starting at just 1,800 RPM. Despite being completely sold out, Aston Martin went above and beyond by developing a configurator that offers an extensive palette of colors for both the exterior and interior. It's unusual for special edition cars to have this level of customization, but the 770 Ultimate Volante provides options from chrome or black badges to a sleek carbon fiber package. Buyers can even choose a coordinating 4-piece leather luggage set. All coupes and convertibles sit on bespoke 21-inch wheels that showcase a sophisticated multi-spoke design, taking inspiration from the Valkyrie and the unique Victor models. Although these wheels, available in satin silver or satin black, might be tricky to maintain, their allure is undeniable. The Volante is also fitted with Pirelli P0 tires. To accentuate its limited availability, the DBS 770 Ultimate features distinctive sill plates adorned with the legendary wings, a 770 Ultimate logo, and limited edition numbering. Furthermore, the Q by Aston Martin division presents options such as carbon fiber tinting, woven leather seat inserts, and bespoke body graphics for an even more personalized touch. Production is already in full swing, and the first DBS 770 Ultimate Volante deliveries are expected to grace the roads in the third quarter of 2023. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.